Hello and welcome to yet another video on Claude, presented by your mentor Vivek. 12 units, every feature, every workflow, the whole of Claude 101 is behind you. But here's the thing about courses. You either watch and forget or you plan and keep. So today, 3 jobs. The entire course on one slide. A game plan for your first week. And yes, the official certificate. Let's land this properly. Before the plan, the map. 12 units, 5 chapters. Watch them stack up on one slide. Chapter 1. You met Claude, a thinking partner, not a search box, and you learned to brief it like a coworker. Set the stage, define the task, give the rules. Chapter 2. Better results. The 5 common fails and their fixes, the iteration habit, the 4D fluency framework, and choosing the right shape of work. Chat, co-work, or code. Chapter 3. You got organized. Projects hold the memory. Artifacts turn answers into working things. And skills make Claude follow your playbook. Chapter 4. Reach. Connectors and MCP plugged in your tools. Enterprise search opened up your org. And research mode compressed hours of digging into minutes. And Chapter 5. Putting it together. Workflows for 7 roles, plus Claude everywhere. Code, Slack, Office, Chrome. That's the whole course on one screen. Screenshot it. Now the game plan, and it starts smaller than you expect. Step 1. Pick one recurring task. At Brightcart, that's the Monday sales report. Not 5 experiments. One task this week, done with Claude. Step 2. Iterate. The first answer is a draft, not a verdict. Feedback, refine, repeat. And step 3, the mindset. Claude is a collaborator, not a replacement. Your expertise, your context, your judgment stay in the driver's seat. And that leaves one honest line to close the course on. The foundation is done. What remains is the doing. Now the certificate. It's official and it's completely free. Go to anthropic.skilljar.com. Open Claude 101. Clear the short quiz at the end and Anthropic issues your certificate. Ready to share on LinkedIn or with your team. Remember, this series was your watch first companion. 13 units later, you are walking into that quiz over-prepared. And prompt Vidya isn't done with you. Next course, Claude Code 101. Same style, deeper waters. And when you're ready to build for real, the SDD Masterclass is already on this channel. Go claim that certificate. I'll see you in the next course. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.